Hi, this is John from Final Cut Pro Classes, and this short tutorial is to show you that Final Cut Pro has infused a little AI into their enhanced color and light feature. Let me show you what I mean. So here, if I go to my random timeline, I put a couple shots in there to test out this feature. So I'm going to click the first one, and I'm going to go to the little magic wand here and say Enhance Light and Color. So now it's going to analyze it. And from what I see, it did a pretty good job. If I want to sort of see how it looks without, I can go to the inspector and I can turn it on and off. And if I go to the color here tab, I can see where the controls are for that, so I can adjust it. I can turn off just the light and see how that looks. I can turn off just the color to see how that looks. And this last one here, different lighting, and I'm going to enhance that. And it actually looks much better if I turn it on and off. So that's with it on, and that's with it off. So it looks much more warm, and the skin tones look a little better. So yeah, a little AI in the color correction if you get a little lazy. Also, another new feature is you can change the name of these effects that you put on, any effects. So you just double click the word and you can change it to face. So now that has that name. You can always reset the name back to its original. Another new feature is you can drag these effects onto another clip right from the effects palette, which you couldn't do before. So that's another feature. So anyway, I hope you liked this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe or like. See you next time.